guys, today I'm going to be unboxing my favorite Apple product, which is the Apple Watch Series 7. It came out today in the stores and I picked up the graphite stainless steel case with the Abyss Blue Sport Band, and I'm so excited. I love the Apple Watch, I love the stainless steel versions of it, and I was happy they had this available. They sold out of other colors, but this color looked nice to me, and yeah, just stay tuned for the unboxing. Okay, I only have one chance to get this right, so let us begin. There's no outer plastic wrapping. We just open the two tabs here, and we then reveal. This has been the similar packaging since 2018, since the Series 4. So we have here the different combinations: stainless steel, aluminium, different bands, and I really like this. I have so many of these because I've been I have the 4, I have the 5. I did not get the 6 because I switched to Samsung last year. I regret the switch. I'm back to Apple, back to my roots. So this is the band. It's called the Abyss Blue Sport Band. Yes, there was not much availability. They'd run out of the graphite stainless steel Milanese loop, but I do have a black Milanese loop and I'll just wear that with this. So that was okay to get this band. So what do I open first? Let's open the band. Ooh, sorry. Okay, so the band, we open that up and we have the two sizes. It's quite a dark blacky blue, but it's really nice. I can bring that out there. I do like these sport bands a lot, and that's what this looks like. That's the short, and this is the long piece. No, this is the long piece and this is the short piece. So the watch in stainless. Awesome. So I'm going to pull the tab here. I know the drill. I just have funky nails. Oh, I need to pull this as well. After saying I know the drill, I forgot to pull the other side. It is, and it is absolutely stunning. So this is the little container it comes in. It's been the same sort of packaging since Series 4. It's so beautiful. Oh, okay, so let's try and push this out this way. My goodness, it's a little tight, especially with these nails. Here we go. It's coming. It's coming. It is absolutely beautiful, and I have turned it on by accident, and this graphite is gorgeous. So I'm an Apple Watch freak. I do apologize for people who are going to hear this. I do also have the stainless steel in black Series 5, and I will compare the two, but this graphite color is ridiculous. It's like stainless steel black with a little bit of silver mixed in. The shine is something I've never seen before. So like I said, I did not get the Series 6 because I switched to Samsung last year. But the 5 in black, it looks different, and you'll see that after. But it's so pretty. So let's put that down and let's see what else is in here. Just some paperwork that I don't really care for, just showing you the watch, and it's a quick start guide on how to put on the straps. And this is the charging, and I'm a little bit disappointed in the charging. So in the past, the stainless steel chargers came with a stainless steel rim around the charging puck, and we don't have that. So the aluminum charging puck had plastic, and the stainless steel had stainless steel, but everyone now has aluminum, which it kind of sucks because you know, I like stainless steel. I'll show you the difference. Hold on. So this is the charging that comes with the that used to come with the stainless steel models. As you can see, it's stainless steel. It's different. It's shinier. But I will definitely need to use this because the charging on the Series 7 is 33% faster. I'm not sure if this will charge on the old puck, but it would still not, you wouldn't get that fast charging. This is the only one that charges fast, and it's okay, but I just really like the steel puck. But oh well, we move on. Put that aside. So I'm going to set up the bands. So let's put the oh, it's so gorgeous. Okay, so this is the Series 5 in gold, and I'm just going to slip that right beside it. This is 41 millimeters, and the Series 5 is 40 millimeters, so we can see a little bit of a size difference. Yeah, I do wear mine upside down with the I wear it on my right hand with the digital crown this way, so I'm going to have to set it up, but I can see the size difference, and I hope you can too. It's absolutely incredibly gorgeous. I'm so in love with this. The form factor looks very similar to me. I can't see much of a difference. It looks very similar to me. The new ones does seem a little bit more voluptuous, a bit curvier, just a little bit curvier, and that's because the screen is a little bit curvier, they say, and we do get a wraparound effect with the text that wraps around to the edges, which this doesn't really do. It's absolutely gorgeous. That's all I can say. So I like this color combination. I'm going to get the band and switch it up for you. And you can see the difference. So blue and black to me is a nice combination. And you can see the difference in size. It's right there. This is the 41 and it does look a little bit bigger than the 40. I should set it up and do a review later. So this is just my first impressions. And the color is different. You can see this is more black, both shiny, but I think this, you can see the luster is something else, and I'm very happy with the upgrade. So obviously I'll be selling this, or I'll keep it and trade it in for when I get my new phone, and we go for it. So let's see if the black Milanese loop for the 40, so the straps are interchangeable. Apple's straps always work for whatever new version they have. So the 40 will work with the 41. So I'll show you what it looks like on the black stainless steel. So this is the 40 millimeter Series 5 cellular with the black strap. Gorgeous, gorgeous winning combination. The Milanese loop is one of my favorite loops. And I'm going to see how this black Milanese works with the graphite stainless steel. It won't be a perfect match, but it will still be good enough. I like things perfect, but let's see. Ooh, even better. It's not a perfect match, but it is so freaking beautiful. Like, you can kind of tell that the strap here at the link is a little darker, but it is so nice looking. I am so happy with the Series 7. It just looks a little bit curvaceous. So the screen is a little bit thicker. I'll be back with a review.